Morning, sorry again. Back out in the Mournes. It's becoming a regular occurrence now. We're starting at Trassey car park this morning again, and I'm just waiting on Stephen coming up behind me here. Today we're going to do the Brandy pad from Trassey car park, like I say, the whole way through the bloody bridge just outside Newcastle. It's approximately 6 miles. We were going to do something different, but due to the high winds and gusts, 50-60 miles an hour I think, we're just going to stay in the low Mournes. So I'll wait here on him and then we'll get going. That was a nice quick one up the Hurst Gap here behind me from the Trassey car park. Oh, about 35 minutes. We're going to go up it here through the middle of Hurst Gap, and as you can see, probably already, I think we've made the right decision not to do the high ones, as the wind's picking up big time. We'll attack Hurst Gap here. It's only about, gets you up to about 490-500 metres elevation, which will be all we'll be doing today. When we get over here, you drop down a bit onto the Brandy pad, and it's a windy sort of road out the bloody bridge. But since I've never done it before, I'll do a load of walking clips and a bit of chit chat in the way, so let's go. Good pull there. 48 minutes we've done then from Trassey up and over the stile, and I found just a wee bench. To my ways, let me see, that's the burn of steps, which will leave up the burn of the, whatever you want to call it, begin with B. Up to Stephen's left, my left as well, is leaving the clock, and the clouds are coming in over there. I said at the start, it was getting windy, and it's blowing a gale at the moment, like a couple of 50, maybe gust of winds, 50 miles an hour. But like I say, Hurst Gap was basically the only climb today. The rest of it, if you've done it before, you'll drop down onto the Brandy pad from here, and it's probably about 4.5 miles from here on in to the Newcastle bloody bridge. So on the move now on the Brandy pad. We're an hour in. So we're heading towards this ridge here, and then that will take you to the foot of Sleeve Cometa, or in around there, and then there should be Cometa castles on the left hand side when we get over here. But I'll spin you around. Good views. Well, down into the reservoir, Crumb. And then that should be Lamagan, I think. There. Sleeve Lamagan. But Stephen's poured on as usual. Just the usual sorties. I'll catch up now. In fact, that's Binion, and then that's Lamachon, and that's just a wee ridge. Brings you up the top of Binion. Be a good pull that way, so it would. Haven't done it that way yet, but we'll put it on the list. That's a Ben Crumb Reservoir in behind it. Just sort of halfway across the Brandy pad now. We're near the ridge, and then hopefully we'll see some maybe Sleeve Cometa and Sleeve Donard when we get over the ridge. But it's low cloud at the moment still, and still very strong winds, but we'll check in soon. There you go. Pad. We've just came over the ridge there. There's a bit of a cull and it'll take you up towards the Devil's Coach Road, Sleeve Beg, Cove Mount and all. And Lamachon obviously Binion after that. But we're just going to drop down where Stephen's going now. And there's a track. And that'll bring us towards the Cometa Castles, where we might have a bit of a sandwich and a drink again. We're an hour and 40 minutes in and close to 4 miles. So I think we're well over halfway there anyway, but the visibility's poor. It actually didn't give for this, it just gives strong winds and a sunny day. So sunny that I've got the sunglasses in the boot, in the bag, but it's definitely not needing today. We didn't bother waiting until the castles for a sandwich, just stopped here whenever we dropped down a wee bit from the cairn. Next up, it will be, it's the Mourne wall at the bottom of Donard, Sleeve Donard, and we'll cross the Stile and then down past the quarry, then on the bloody bridge. But I'll keep coming back with more, and it's starting to rain again. I'm not too sure if I said that before, but it's just a constant drizzle. Not much wind down in here, but as I say that, it's starting to pick up again. I'll catch up with Stephen. Not sure the camera gets that, but that's the Cometa Castles. Looking very moody this morning. Stephen getting a shot. Down into Analong Valley maybe, I think it is down in there. I'll ask the Sherpa soon, see what he says.
There's part of the castle as well.
That's called the Devil's Coach Road. We still haven't done it yet. Been out hiking up in the Mournes for 9 months maybe. I still haven't even toyed with the idea yet. But better safe than sorry. No point in doing anything stupid up here. I had planned, we're just coming around to the saddle now. I had maybe thought of going up Donard there, but it's still picking up gust of wind and it's to get stronger, but we'll just stick to the Brandy pad and just finish it off. That'll be another box ticked for the day. Looking at the Devil's Coach Road, you can probably see why we haven't attempted it yet. From this angle, it looks pretty vertical, so it does. I'll still give it another wee way yet. definitely not do it today, or in any sort of windy conditions or rainy conditions. But we're near the ridge now, which will, I think leads on to the Bog of Donard, which will be sort of the next point. See you there. That might be the Bog of Donard there. It does look pretty boggy. Definitely not one to be crossing. Just touching the weather as usual here. 1st of July, and I've had better winter days. No word about it. My hands are near froze. I just well brought the raincoat. I wasn't going to bring one today, but luckily I did. But there's a bit of clearing down in there, you see there. But this is still coming behind us. I know I've done a video of burning last week. That's very neat. And we had to call it short. We're not calling this short today, but just look around it. Apart from down there, it's just clouds, mist, fog, whatever you want to call it. We're near 5 mile in, so what is it, 1.5 miles maybe up the bloody bridge from here. Shouldn't take us too long. Taking a shelter break here, wind break, bit of a sight meeting. Sherpa Steve's on the All Trails app to see what maybe this is.
Looking for the blue dam.
And 4 or 5 away up Donard there in the distance. Fair play to them doing it today, as you can see the clouds just blowing right over it. Not for me today. That mountain was part of Chimney Rock, so it was. Again, I toyed with the idea maybe going up it, but as you can see, I'm maybe here. It's not the day for it, not the day for heights up here. But it's been here. The old quarry in behind us. Just going to head down now the Bloody Bridge car park. I'm not too sure if I'll do much more video. I've done a vlog up here the other week with Stephen, Neely and wee Joe going up the way from Bloody Bridge to Donard, so I'll put a wee link in the description box for it if you want to watch it. But probably take 45 minutes down here, and then I'll check in at the car park again. That's the bridge, the Bloody Bridge. Straight down to the car park now, where we're going to get lifted by Neely, who's not out today. He's going on holiday soon enough, so he's get a few things organised and all. So have a good holiday, Neil, and thanks for the lift back round the Trassey car park, much appreciated. That's us back at Trassey now. 7.5 miles done. A point to point walk. I think that was the first one we've done. So we started at Trassey, up at Trassey track, Harris Gap, Bloody Bridge, or Brandy Pod, Bloody Bridge, and then Neely and Heller came and picked us up and brought us back round. Right, I said in the last clip, much appreciated for the lift. There's a nice coffee and a chocolate cookie we had, a proper coffee as well at the Bloody Bridge car park. I would highly recommend going there. Nice strong coffee. But good morning out. Not the challenge that we wanted, but unfortunately, like I said at the start, the wind dictated, poor visibility. We made the right choice. So happy Saturdays. I'll hopefully see us out next weekend again.